Hello and welcome back. Today we are making a modification or upgrade, if you want, for the bench grinder. Let's do this. After I got a good assortment of different grid belts for the belt grinder attachment, which you see on the left hand side, I decided that I wouldn't need the regular grinding wheel any longer. So you see me here removing the old wheel, and to use that arbor more efficiently, we make that side our polishing station. Before I was able to mount the tapered spindle on the arbor, I had to remove the old shroud because we won't need that anymore and it might be getting in the way. When you're choosing a spindle, make sure it has the correct bore for the diameter of the arbor as well as the correct side that you are going to use the spindle on. Otherwise the wheel might fly off. I also decided to replace the adhesive discs on the disc sander with a Velcro pad, which makes it a lot easier to swap discs. I wanted to retain the ability to remove the plate from the grinder if I had to without having to remove the Velcro pad as well. In order to align the holes on the Velcro pad to the ones on the base plate, I clamped it down and then punched holes through with a hole punch. In order to make alignment easier, I pushed 2 of the screws through the Velcro pad and then glued the base plate on top of it. The holes in the Velcro pad were slightly smaller than the screws themselves, which came in quite handy because they held the screws in place and made it much easier to mount the plate onto the grinder, as you can see here. You can see now that the screws will sit beneath the Velcro pad, and that way they can't interfere with the sanding discs. And that's all there was to this little upgrade. I will leave a link to multi-tool products in the description if you are thinking about upgrading your own bench grinder to become a belt grinder or polishing station or whatever. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked the video, although it wasn't a project video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.